Here is Jump Preset. We are coming to show you this apartment where we got some units that are still available for sale. So stay tuned as I'm showing you inside. Come with me. This apartment that I've been telling you about, we have one of the best and very big penthouse that you can get here. Come with me, let me show you. The huge sitting room. This apartment is one of the crazy and the best apartment that we have on the market. So the view we have here, it's $1 million view. We have the 360 view. We got the view of Kiyovu here, Revero, we got a Kichukiro, we have Kimihurura, as well as Lemera, we have Ukaichiru, we have Giso's kitchen, of course, is on this side. We have one bedroom right here. Come with me, let me show you. We have the first bedroom right here, as well as it's a very big bedroom. As you can see, interesting. We're gonna be installing the AC, beautiful ceiling. As you can see, we have the bathroom right here. Then we have the next bedroom right here. Here we come.